together as a couple in 2017, 2018, building for the future. You moved into your mother's house to save money, so your mother didn't charge you for rent.
We paid the utilities.
Okay. And you lived together until when in your mother's house?
Till around the first week of September of this year.
And while you were living together, were you working?
Yes.
And were you working?
Yes.
And how were you sharing your bills?
We kind of kept the accounts mostly separated except for the insurance.
What insurance?
Car insurance.
Well, you didn't have rent. And who paid the utilities?
We both did. I actually had.
Stand up.
I actually had AT&T came over to the
Care Bear cousins. I also think you should do the Care Bear. You show him how to do it. Did you show him how to do it?
Love consensuality.
Love.
No mess, no smell, no leaks.